Hi traders, welcome to my video tutorial on this reliable Forex trend indicators. So in this video tutorial today, right, we'll be talking about the various Forex trend indicators that I'm using when I'm doing a trend trading strategy. Okay, I hope that this video tutorial is useful for you, so that you can also apply this indicator right in your trading strategy and ride the trend to profits. Okay, so first of all, why should we trade the trend? Is the first question that I think most of you must be asking. Okay, I believe that most of you should have heard of the phrase, the trend is your friend. You could have heard of this either from a Forex course, Forex book, or any Forex website that you have been. Okay, so the reason why, right, when you trade the trend you are more profitable is because it gives us a very high risk reward ratio. Okay, so when the price is trending, when you are able to catch the trend, usually you have about 1:3, 1:4 risk reward ratio, which is something very profitable. Okay, so let's begin with what are the trend indicators that I'm using to ride the trend. First of all, I always have this 200 EMA right on my chart. Okay, this is 200 EMA, 200 exponential moving average. Okay, the reason why I have this is because it can help me to identify whether the trend is up, down, or the price is currently moving sideways. Okay, so when you have the 200 EMA sloping upwards, okay, with good gradient, this is a very good uptrend. When it's sloping downwards with a good gradient, is telling you that the market is currently at a very strong downtrend. However, when you see this 200 EMA flat, okay, which is horizontal, somehow horizontal or very gentle gradient, it tells you that the price is currently ranging, moving in a consolidation manner. Okay, so if we are going to do a trend trading using these trend indicators, right, I must have a uptrend or a downtrend. So the first thing that I look on my chart is that today whether there's a good gradient on my 200 EMAs. Okay, so this is number one thing that I will check when I want to do a trend trading. Okay, the second indicators that I'll be using is the MACD indicators. Okay, so let's take a look here. You can see the price is currently at the downtrend. You can see it's moving downwards. The 200 EMA is sloping downwards. Can you see that? So you must make sure one thing: when it's going in a downtrend, you must make sure that your EMAs, your MACD line, right, be it one line or two line, because I believe that I've been receiving emails from traders telling me that that MACD indicator only has one line. It doesn't matter, as long as the line is below this zero line. This is horizontal line here, is considered a zero line. If your MACD line is below this zero line in a downtrend, then you can trade using the MACD histogram flip. You can see that it's a downtrend. My line is below. My line is below the 200. My line is below the water line, the zero line. You can see that whenever the MACD flip, you can see here it flips. You enter a trade. You can see after that the price move down, and you make a profits. So as you see, you move out again, and it flips again. You enter here, you are making profit again. So this method only works right when you are in a strong downtrend. Can you see that? So first of all, I always look at my 200 EMA. If I have a strong trend, either up or down, second thing that I look for is my MACD indicator. I'll check whether my line, MACD line, is it below the zero line if it's a downtrend. If it's an uptrend, I must make sure that this MACD line must be above the zero line. Okay, you must make sure that the crossover, can you see the crossover here, must happen below the zero line if it's a downtrend. If it's an uptrend, you must make sure that this crossover must be above the zero line. So basically, for those of you who have only one MACD line, some of you are saying that you can't tell a crossover. In fact, you can still tell from the histogram flip. So therefore, you can see here, what you don't make use of this crossover here. You can take a look at this histogram. Once it flips from up to down, you will enter a short trade and capture the down move. You can see that as it goes up, the histogram, and it flips down again, you enter a trade here to capture the down move. So it doesn't really matter if you have one MACD line or two MACD line, you still can make use of your histogram to get this done. Okay, so besides this MACD indicator, I also make use of parabolic SAR. Okay, so how this thing works is that it produces a dot. Okay, when the dot flips up, right, it's telling you that to sell, but doesn't mean that every time it flips we will sell. So therefore, first thing that I look for is, again, I look at the trend. You can see it's uptrend. It's an uptrend, strong uptrend. I will only enter when the parabolic SAR flips from up to down. You can see it's below the candle. It tells me that I could buy here. You can see I capture the up move. I make profits. So again, as it comes down, you can see that it flips again as it moves down. Once it flips downwards, I'll enter a trade and capture the up move. Can you see that? Okay, so again, it flips upwards, flips downward, I'll enter a trade to trade the up move to capture the trend. So this is how you use the PSAR, parabolic SAR, in your trading. So basically, I will make use of these three trend indicators: the 200 EMA to tell the trend, MACD indicator, and the PSAR for my entry. So I hope that this tutorial is useful for you, and you guys should try this in your demo account to see if it works for you. If it works, you can trade live with this strategy. So I hope that you enjoy this video tutorial, and for more indicator tips, right, you could visit my blog at forexindicator.org. okay, and this is basically my blog. You see that? So basically this is my blog with all this information here. So I hope that you like the tutorial, and when you come here, right, you can find out more about Forex indicators, various Forex indicators, the Forex tutorials, as well as the Forex FAQ that I do for my newsletter subscriber, or those people who subscribe to my newsletter. They actually can ask me questions via email, and I'll actually answer them in this blog here. Okay, so for more video tutorials, so you can visit my blog, and good luck.